Plant FAQs, Begonia acetosa. Begonia acetosa, a velvety delight for plant enthusiasts. Hi there, Furbu here. Today, we're diving into the captivating world of Begonia acetosa, a plant that boasts not only stunning foliage but also a unique growth habit. Often referred to as the velvet begonia, Begonia acetosa is a captivating addition to any indoor jungle. This tropical wonder hails from the lush rainforests of southeastern Brazil, bringing a touch of exotic charm to your living space. Here, I'll answer some of the most frequent questions I get about this captivating begonia. See more 2,104 species in genus Begonia at monsteraholic.com. What makes Begonia acetosa special? Begonia acetosa stands out for its mesmerizing foliage. The leaves, typically medium-sized, showcase a captivating contrast. The upper surface boasts a rich, olive-green hue, while the underside gleams with a deep, almost wine-red color. This two-toned effect is further accentuated by a velvety texture that begs to be touched, gently, of course. Beyond its visual appeal, Begonia acetosa boasts a unique growth habit. Unlike its upright begonia cousins, this beauty features a creeping, rhizomatous growth pattern. Imagine thick, pale green branches spreading horizontally, creating a low-lying, almost cascading effect. Begonia acetosa versus Begonia rex. Striking similarities, subtle differences. Begonia enthusiasts often ask how Begonia acetosa compares to the ever-popular Begonia rex, also known as the Rex begonia. Both varieties are renowned for their captivating foliage, offering a kaleidoscope of colors and textures. Here's a quick breakdown to help you decide which begonia might be the perfect fit for your plant haven. Similarities. Stunning foliage. Both Begonia acetosa and Begonia rex boast captivating leaves that come in a variety of textures and colors. Moderate care. Both thrive with moderate watering and indirect sunlight, making them ideal for beginner plant parents. Humidity lovers. They appreciate a touch of extra moisture in the air, so consider using a humidifier or grouping them with other humidity-loving plants. Differences. Growth habit. Begonia acetosa features a creeping, rhizomatous growth pattern, ideal for hanging baskets or cascading over shelves. Begonia rex, on the other hand, typically grows in a more upright, bushy manner. Leaf coloration. While both offer beautiful foliage, Begonia acetosa leans towards a two-toned approach with olive green tops and deep red undersides. Begonia rex explodes with a wider range of colors and patterns, including dramatic variations of red, purple, silver, and green. Ultimately, the choice between Begonia acetosa and Begonia rex boils down to personal preference. Consider the aesthetic you're aiming for and the space you have available. How to care for Begonia acetosa. Begonia acetosa thrives with a little TLC. Here's a cheat sheet to keep your velvet begonia flourishing. Light. Indirect sunlight is key. Avoid harsh rays that can scorch the leaves. Watering. Water moderately, allowing the top inch of soil to dry out slightly between waterings. Overwatering is a big no-no, as it can lead to root rot. Soil. A well-draining potting mix is essential. Consider adding perlite or orchid bark to enhance drainage. Humidity. Moderate to high humidity is ideal. Grouping plants together, using a pebble tray, or investing in a humidifier can help create a moisture-rich environment. Fertilizer. A balanced fertilizer once a month during the growing season is sufficient. Propagation. Sharing the velvet love. Sharing the beauty of your Begonia acetosa is easy. Here are two common propagation methods. Leaf cuttings. Take a healthy leaf, cut it just below the petiole, leaf stem, and plant it in a moist, well-draining potting mix. Keep the soil moist and provide indirect sunlight. New growth should emerge in a few weeks. Rhizome division. As your Begonia acetosa matures, it may develop multiple growing points, crowns, on its rhizome. Carefully remove the plant from its pot. Separate the crowns with a sharp, sterile knife, and repot each division in individual containers. Begonia acetosa, a touch of the tropics in your home. With its captivating foliage, unique growth habit, and relatively easy care requirements, Begonia acetosa is a fantastic addition to any plant collection. It injects a touch of the tropics into your living space, offering a constant source of visual delight. So, why not give this remarkable begonia a try? With a little care and attention, you'll be rewarded with a thriving plant that will add a touch of velvety charm to your home for years to come.